Cinnamon English. What day is it? Sunday. Yesterday was Saturday. Today is Sunday. Tomorrow will be Monday. What day is it? Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. What day is it? Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. What day is it? Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. What day is it? Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow will be Friday. What day is it? Friday. Yesterday was Thursday. Today is Friday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. What day is it? Saturday. Yesterday was Friday. Today is Saturday. Tomorrow will be Sunday.